today. Let's dance with Sunny and Rainy and see what they say.
Hi, Sunny said it's bright and warm. Let's twirl and jump around the farm. Rainy drops come falling down. Splash your boots and spin around. Ow!
Weather dance, move your feet and clap your hands. Sunny and rainy, cloudy too. What's the weather? Where are you? A cloudy floats across the sky. Let's wave our arms and gently fly. Go tiny flakes, spin and twirl, make no mistakes. Weather dance, move your feet and clap your hands. Sunny, rainy, cloudy too. What's the weather? Where are you?
Weather friends, hooray, hooray. Let's dance again another